Hi, this is Ted Daniels with Daniels Design and Remodeling, and I'm reaching out to you to let you know that, like you, our entire team here is worried about the coronavirus. We've been dealing with those effects. And I wanted to take a moment to just let you know that we understand. We know it's our responsibility to ensure the health and safety of our community. And by doing that, we've created a checklist that we can, and actually you can use this checklist, you can download it. And if you have anybody doing any type of service work in your house or coming over, use it. Ask them, say, hey, are you following these things? But how we do it, I mean, some things we've loosened our sick leave policy. So anybody at our company, if they're not feeling well, it's okay. Just let us know. That's fine. You don't have to come in. We've got protective gear, gloves and face mask and booties. We also have disinfectant spray and hand sanitizer. We disinfect everything when we're done for the day. So it's those sort of steps that are, I think, really, really vital for us to do our part to help keep you safe. So feel free to download it. And to that end, too, I hope that you're at least finding the blessing of being stuck at home with spending time with family, and who knows, maybe actually spending a little bit of time in your house. You're seeing things that you wish were a little bit different. And if that's true, I mean, I had to tell you too, right now with the interest rates being as low as they are, there may not be a better time ever to take advantage of it. So I just want you to know we're here, we're doing our part, we're gonna help keep you safe, and we are working. If we can be of any assistance, please feel free to give us a call, 703-239-2700, and we'll be delighted to help you. Stay safe.